Okay, guys, it's me, and it's another unboxing, and I am doing this unboxing under bed rest. I just got out of the chiropractor for my back and hips. So, pardon the environment, but let's get to it. This is Phalaenopsis pulchra, which is a species. Beautiful, fragrant, little magenta violet thing, fragrant. Stays small, blooms small. As you can see, it's in spike. Then I'm digging through here very carefully. Things are taped in very tight because I'm in bed. I'm trying to keep all of this mess in the box and not on the bed. So if you see me picking up little scraps, that's what I'm doing as I try to pull out the remaining two plants with minimal spillage. So, not much, but it takes time. So, let's begin. This one is Phalaenopsis KS Happy Eagle crossed with Cornus cervi. And you know I love KS Happy Eagle, and I am obsessed with Cornus cervi. So I went ahead and unwrapped them. And this is one of the other plants, and this is Phalaenopsis mock Joy Bear Queen, which is a cross. It's a hybrid of mock Chow Yu and LD Bear Queen. So it should be a very fragrant flower, and there is a flower on it that's a little bit crumpled from shipping during transport, but I put my nose up to it, and it's got a little hint of something. So that's that one. And this one is KS Super Eagle times Cornus cervi. And again, trying to minimize spillage into the bed. And this is really packed very well with all of the little strips of paper, shredded paper. Nice little plant. These all bloom small, as you can see. And there's the spike that, like all Cornus cervi, will continue to bloom as long as it stays green. Blooms successively over a long period of time. And that's that. Okay, so here's another one. And this is from Louisiana Orchid Connection, LOC, down in Texas. So I've ordered from these people before. They're on eBay, and they do have their own website, but I ordered this off of eBay. And got it open. So let's get these packages out and unwrap them, and let's reveal the orchids. Okay, this is the first one. And we'll see if I can get the tape off with one hand. got two of these bucket list plants, and it's Enoboban munificum. Now it's Dendrobium, and I did have a big one that got too cold, kind of declined after I repotted it, and then it got too cold. And I'm gonna pull the cotton away so we can see the pseudobulbs, and you can see on closer inspection that the sheathing that is around the completed pseudobulb is sort of like very intricate, and it will develop webbing around it, which makes it very unique. And the flowers, upon maturity, upon blooming size, the flowers are pendant in many sort of dark maroon, brown, and I think they have a white or a yellow lip, and they are fragrant. And I do have another one, but I think this is the other plant because I can't feel anything. The plants feel different. Let me just leave it at that. So again, pulling off the tape gently so to prevent any spillage or any accidental damage to the plant. And unfurling it carefully reveals another species, which is Louisia. And there's the name. It's a Vanda growing type, very pendant, will be mounted as soon as I get around to it. But yeah, it will be mounted pendulously so that it hangs down, and very easy peasy. Gets little insignificant flowers. Okay. And I went ahead and unwrapped the last Enoboban, and you can see how the pseudobulb looks like a little acorn. And that is where it will get that webbing, and it will look like a little basket, a little straw basket. But it is just a seedling. Okay, and here is another unboxing, and this is from, I can't remember. Oh, our favorite Biedermeier, favorite eBay seller that we love to hate, but we still appreciate some of the things. And this is an Oncidium or Trichocentrum lanceanum, which is a replacement. And nice size, and you can see those leaves that are heavily spotted. That's characteristically of the Trichocentrum. Latest growth that you can see is pretty nice. Base is covered in a sheath. This again will be mounted and given good light and plenty of water during the growth season. And really, that's my haul, folks.
And not somebody else dictating to you how to do your thing, which you know how to do better than anybody else.